Hello everyone and warm welcome to this session. In this video I am going to demonstrate you the spatial domain image enhancement methodology which is popular by the name median filtering in the MATLAB environment. So let us switch to the editor window. I maximize the editor window and start writing the code with the MATLAB syntaxes of close all, then clear and then CLC so that we can have fresh execution of our program. The first line is a comment line mentioning the motive behind writing this particular code. So this is program to demonstrate the median filtering on an image. So to process the image with this median filtering, and we also need to compare its performance with that of the averaging filter, we need first of all image to be read in our MATLAB environment that is available in the current folder here. So the first module, it will be to read the input image here. So I will be generating a variable capital A with the MATLAB syntax I am read followed by a pair of parentheses inside which in single quotes we need to specify the file name along with its file type. So here I am going to make the use of dewdrop.jpg, the file available in current folder. We shall end this MATLAB syntax with the help of semicolon here. Now to process the image for median filtering, the image should have certain noise. So noise removal we can demonstrate you. For that purpose, the second module will be addition of noise to an image here. So I will be generating the variable capital B, which will be the original image plus certain kind of noise here. So to add noise to the image, we have the MATLAB syntax IAMNoise. Inside the parenthesis, the first input argument will be capital A, to which the noise is to be added. The type of noise here I specify salt and pepper type here, salt and pepper. So I specify the name here. Also I provide 0.1, the value corresponding to the salt and pepper noise. By the next line, I will be generating the filter mask of the averaging type here, so that we can compare its corresponding result with that of the median filtering here, and we can have one conclusion which particular filter to be used when a kind of noise is affecting the original image here for the recovery purpose. So here I will be having the next module to generate the kernels of averaging filter here. So I will be generating the variable h1, and that it will be formulated as 1 divided by 3 square, it is equal to 9. This ratio is multiplied to the matrix of the values of 1 for the dimensions 3, 3 here. So this is 3 by 3 dimension filter mask of averaging type. The second filter mask can be generated with the variable name h2 here. So this is 1 divided by 5 square, it will be 25. The ratio multiplies to the matrix of 1s with the dimensions 5, 5 here. Now it's time to apply the filters here. So first of all we will apply the averaging filter. So I write here applying the averaging filter. So for application of averaging filtering, we will be generating the variables with the names, let us say C1 and C2 by the process of convolution here. As for the two-dimensional signal, we have the MATLAB syntax conv2, where the input arguments are the noise affected image capital B along with the filter mask h1, and the keyword same is to be included there. Then C2 can be generated by again the process of two-dimensional convolution for capital B, h2, the keyword same here. Now after application of the averaging filter, we need to apply the median filtering. So for application of median filtering, we will be generating the variable C3, and for median filtering we have the MATLAB syntax MEDFILT 2 here for two-dimensional signals here, and the input argument is capital B, and the filter mask dimension here, so it is 3 by 3 first of all. Similarly, we can have the median filtering for the noise affected image when the dimensions of the filter mask are 5 by 5. Now after applying the filtering, averaging filtering and the median filtering, it's time to have display of the results here. So I write display of input and output images. So for display purpose, I'm going to make the use of subplot here. So I just generate 2 rows, 3 columns, and first cell is to be accessed to display with the help of IAMShow command the original image stored in variable A. So the concerned title here, it is original image. By the next line, I go for subplot cell 2, 3, 2 here, display with the help of IAMShow command, and this time I am going to display the image added by the noise here, which is stored into the variable capital B. So the concerned title, it will be noisy image. Inside the brackets I provide the type of noise, that it is salt and pepper here. By the next line I go for the subplot 2, 3, 3. Now here I am going to again make the use of IAMShow to visualize the result of averaging filtering for the filter mask of dimension 3 by 3. The result is stored into the variable C1, but as it will be there in the double type, so for display purpose we need to get it to the data type converted back to uint8 here, and the corresponding title here we are providing. This is image after averaging filter. And the dimensions here we are specifying, that is 3 by 3 here. So in the similar fashion, by the next cell here we will be displaying in the fourth cell the variable C2, that is holding the averaging filter result for the dimensions 5 by 5. Next to this we will be displaying the result of median filtering. So this will be the fifth cell. This variable, it will be C3, and this is the image after median filtering with the same filter mask dimension 3 by 3. And lastly it will be the sixth cell of the subplot, where the variable, it is C4, holding the resultant image. So this is also a result of median filtering, but the filter mask dimensions are 5 by 5. So this is what the simple code we are going to store here with let us say program underscore median.m is the file extension. We have saved it, and let us run this particular script. Initially the workspace is empty. So here in the workspace you see it was variable A holding the input image, that it was dewdrop.jpg. Because of this MATLAB syntax I am read here. Dewdrop.jpg is available in the current folder like this, So it has the dimensions 327 by 448, data type uint8. So it is added a noise with this much of the syntax, salt and pepper noise, so that it will generate the variable b with the same dimensions and the data type. After application of the averaging filtering with the first filter mask H1, we obtain C1. C2 we obtain with the second filter mask H2 of the dimension 5 by 5. C3 we obtain after application of the median filtering, and correspondingly C4 also the result of median filtering respectively for the mask of the size 3 by 3 and 5 by 5 here. H1 and H2 are the filter kernels for the averaging filters here. So this is what the display of result with the help of subplot. So we have the original image dewdrop.jpg. After application of salt and pepper type of noise, this is what the visualization. There are few black as well white spots. So these are corresponding to the maximum pixel intensity and the minimum pixel intensity. That is the feature. That is why it is called as salt and pepper noise here. And when this noise added image is processed by averaging filter, these are the two results corresponding to the filter mask of the dimensions 3 by 3 and then 5 by 5 here. Whereas after processing the noisy image with the median filtering, these are the corresponding result for 3 by 3 and 5 by 5 here. So as you can compare the result of the averaging filter and that of the median filter, you can come to see that when the image is added by salt and pepper noise, the median filter is more successful as compared to averaging filter, because the noise is of the spikes here, the complete white or complete darkness. By having median, that means arranging the pixel intensities into the neighborhood in ascending or descending order, finding the median and replacing that particular one with the median value. So that is the basic principle of operation while working with the median filtering. So salt and pepper noise, I can say, can completely be removed if you are making the use of median filtering. So you can see a white spot when we are using the median filtering with the filter mask 3 by 3, but when the filter mask is of 5 by 5, that white spot, a kind of salt and pepper noise, you can say salt, it is completely removed here, but a kind of smoothness is also appearing in the resultant image when we are increasing the size of filter mask from 3 by 3 to 5 by 5. So this was a simple demonstration of median filtering, which is a kind of spatial domain image enhancement methodology. Thank you.